What is happening with the whales? I've read about this.
Well, they say that the wind drives them crazy. It's a vibration because you have those,
Right.
those things are 50-story buildings, some of them.
Right, and they're
50.
super sensitive to vibrations
They have
and
those,
sounds.
the wind is rushing, the things are blowing, it's a vibration, and it makes noise. You know what it is? I want to be a whale psychiatrist. It drives the whales frickin' crazy. And
Yes.
something happens with them. But for whatever reason, they're getting washed up on shore. And,